How to use affirmations to dramatically change your life. When you first start to use positive affirmations and the law of attraction, you begin to realize that you can influence your experiences in life by working on your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. Positive affirmations allow you to manifest all your heart's desires by believing that what you want is indeed possible and feeling as if they were already yours. If you wish to change your life and attain everything you desire, here's how you can use positive affirmations to reach that goal. Know what you want. When it comes to affirmations, you have to know precisely what you want to live a happier life. Are you hoping to land a better job? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to be able to purchase a new home? Not only do you have to know what you are asking for, but you have to be mindful of how you are asking for it. Too many times, people will list what they don't want. Unfortunately, when your affirmations focus on what you don't want, your subconscious mind will focus on the negatives of your desires. Know that you have it. The words you speak aren't enough to imprint your subconscious with an idea or a vision, but require emotions to be triggered by the words you speak. Your affirmations need to be believable, and you need to consider them possible if you want them to come to fruition. Having negative feelings and emotions will only get in the way when you are trying to receive any positive emotions back. For your affirmations to be effective, you will need to develop techniques that will allow you to overcome these negative emotions. Feel what you already have. If you want to be able to generate a positive emotional state, you have to be able to imagine how it will feel to have achieved your goal. The feelings you have about achieving your goal are what need to be manifested to generate what you are asking for. You need to be able to understand what this feels like and practice incorporating it when asking for what you want, because it is the emotions and feelings that you send out into the universe as what you'll get back. Making sure that you know what you want, knowing what you have, and feeling that you have reached your goal already, will help you create powerful manifestations that will work for you. How to create positive affirmations. Whether you believe it or not, you can attract anything in your life that you give attention to, because like attracts like. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool that can make the opposite happen. By believing in a thought or sentence and repeating it to yourself regularly, you have the power to attract more positivity to your life. Your words are incredibly powerful, and when done correctly, positive affirmations can be an impactful tool that will help you find the power to accomplish things that you didn't think was possible. However, they only work if you believe them. Here's how to create positive affirmations that you can believe in and achieve all your life's greatest desires. Identify what you want. To get started writing a positive affirmation for your life, you have to think about what you really want. Think about what would make your life happier and write those thoughts down. The essential part of creating positive affirmations is ensuring that you are completely clear about what you want without worrying about the when or the how. List the attributes you'll need. When you've identified what you want, the next step is determining the attributes that you'll need to achieve your goal. You should list between 4 and 6 things. Your attributes are the things that you need to be, rather than the things that you need to do. Once you've written these out, identify what you want. To get started writing a positive affirmation for your life, you have to think about what you really want. Think about what would make your life happier and write those thoughts down. The essential part of creating positive affirmations is ensuring that you are completely clear about what you want without worrying about the when or the how. List the attributes you'll need. When you've identified what you want, the next step is determining the attributes that you'll need to achieve your goal. You should list between 4 and 6 things. Your attributes are the things that you need to be, rather than the things that you need to do. Once you've written these out, once you have your desires and attributes written down, it's time to create your affirmation. You want to create a statement that is between 1 and 2 sentences, and that states the goal and attributes in a positive and empowering way. This can be challenging, so you should write down some ideas as they come to you and repeat them out loud. Practice your new affirmation. Now that you've created an affirmation, it's time to practice it and repeat it often. You want to be sure to repeat your affirmations every day. To help you remember to say your statements, you set a reminder on your phone. You can set your phone's background to a picture of your affirmation, so you see it every time you use your phone, or you can put them on post-its and place them around your home or office. Do whatever works for you. Affirmations are incredibly helpful in helping you achieve your desires as long as you do them correctly. You have the power to use your mind to create the future you desire. Please subscribe and click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Smiley face.